Our most popular video of 2024 was about synthetic slate. And by most popular, I mean it had like 200 views. But it seems to be popular, so we're gonna go over it again. So question number one, what is synthetic slate? Why do we care about it? Natural slate is a beautiful product that lasts for like, I don't know, 50 to 100 years. It's a really high quality roofing material. However, it's an older material that is hard to get a hold of and even harder to find people to install it. It's basically an artisanal product. So the market, wanting to be able to give a slate look to customers who want that more historic look, has created a synthetic material that mimics the look of slate or cedar, the more natural products, and makes it so that more people can access the material and the actual installation is a little bit easier to do. Synthetic slates and synthetic shakes come in a variety of colors, and they're not gonna weather over time. So a slate product probably wouldn't change much over time, but a cedar shake product would definitely weather over time. So one of the advantages that these synthetic products have is that they're not gonna change color over time. They still have a very long shelf life of around 50 years for a roof, which is a really great investment. They still have that historic look that people are going for, but you can get it now in a bunch of different colors, designs, and you can know that that product that's on your roof is gonna last the same as it is the day that it's installed for a really long time. So maybe you're wondering, how much does that beautiful roof cost? Well, it's expensive, guys. I mean, this is an investment roof. Not just anybody's gonna be buying a synthetic product roof. Most of the time you can expect that it's gonna cost you around $1,200 plus per square of roofing. So definitely one of the top tier products that is available on the market. Why is it so expensive? It's expensive because each one of those tiles is installed one at a time, and the actual material itself is expensive as well. The ways that the price might change would be dependent on which exact brand you're getting, what style you're getting. Are you getting a multi-width where the installer has to pay attention to the pattern that's being installed? Are you getting it staggered? So are your shakes being installed in a straight line, or are they being installed staggered? That also requires more attention from the installer, so that's going to increase the labor price. And of course, where it's being installed. Price of labor varies throughout the country, so you can expect all kinds of different prices depending on exactly where you are. The downside of synthetic products, outside of their price point, is that they do take a long time to come in. And by that I mean the actual material is not readily available, so you might have to wait, sometimes an excessive amount of time, weeks, maybe even months, before your roof can be installed because your installer is waiting for the material to come in from the shipping house. Bottom line, synthetic materials are really an awesome option available to people, but you do have to be willing to pay a pretty penny to get them.